Unsure how to thread your brother's sewing machine? No problem, just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Turn off the sewing machine for safety before beginning the threading process. Step 2. Raise the presser foot lever to release the tension discs. Step 3. Turn the handwheel counterclockwise until the needle is in the highest position. Note, the machine can't be threaded correctly unless the needle is raised. Nice start. Let's move ahead to get the thread in position. Step 4. Pull the spool pin all the way up until it locks into place. Step 5. Place your spool of thread securely onto the spool pin. Note, if the thread spool is placed incorrectly, it can lead to tangling on the spool pin and even cause the needle to break. Step 6. Pass the thread toward you into the groove on the metal guide. Step 7. Bring the thread straight down along the right groove and bring it back up through the left groove. Step 8. Ensure the thread is guided through the thread take-up lever. Step 9. Bring the thread down and place it behind the guide located just above the needle. Note, hold the thread with your left hand while guiding it with your right for better control. Almost there. Let's tackle the final threading steps like a pro. Step 10. Lower the presser foot lever again. Step 11. Pull the needle threader lever down and toward you, hook the thread onto the guide, then release the lever. Great job! Just one last touch before we finish up. Step 12. Pass the end of the thread under the presser foot and pull out about 5 centimeters of thread toward the rear of the machine. Leave a like and subscribe if we helped resolve your issue. Drop a comment below for more such videos and DIY ideas. Or visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at 1-786-866-5932. 44-203-983-0480.